Okay, so this is a sample Google Classroom. This might not be your period, but this applies to your class as well as all of my classes. So when you go in and you look at all of your classes that are on Google Classroom, you will see all these little boxes. Of course, they're not all Miss Bingham's class, but all of your little boxes. You go into any one of those classes that is yours, hopefully mine, and you're automatically in the stream. Now the stream just shows you what I posted most recently and what other people said. So that can be a little confusing if you're looking for what's due next. Classwork, which is the next tab, is a good place to start, but that's all organized by topic. So for example, critical lens research essay, it'll show you what's due next, maybe what else has been posted up there, but you don't really get a good sense of what's due when. So that's where we're going to go all the way up here, follow the cursor up to the upper right hand corner where the waffle is. Okay, that's the Google Apps. We're going to click on that waffle and we're going to scroll down to Calendar. And your Google Calendar is going to show you all of your assignments and when they are due. So next assignment is due Thursday, March 19th. If you click on that assignment, it will tell you, for example, my AP class has a vocabulary quiz on Thursday, March 19th. And if you click on the link that is there, it will take you to that assignment in Google Classroom. That is the best way to navigate through everything, is by going to the Google Calendar. And then to go back out, you can either click on the tab back for your class, or you can again use the waffle to navigate back to Classroom or back to your email. Further, everything I do, everything I post generates an email in your BX Truman account, so you can also check there. But if you get a lot of emails, that might end up sounding way too busy for you. So the best recommendation I can make is keep up with your calendar, look and see what's coming up on the horizon, what's due tomorrow, what's due the day after tomorrow, what's due next week, and just keep up with it. All right.